There is a stirring in you that sleep cannot explain, a weight in your chest that is not fear, not stress, not emotion. It is a holy pressure, a spiritual awakening knocking from the inside. You tried to distract yourself. You tried to stay busy. You tried to call it tiredness. But this is not exhaustion. This is your spirit being shaken awake. Tonight, something ancient, something holy, something heaven-authored begins to rise in you. Not noise, not hype, not religion. Revival. Revival does not begin in stadiums. It does not start with microphones. It is not born from trends, music, or crowds. Revival begins quietly, in the unseen place, inside a person God refuses to leave the same. And that person is you. That restlessness you feel, that hunger you cannot name, that sudden discomfort with the way things used to be, that is not emotional instability. That is your spirit rejecting spiritual numbness. There was a season you survived, a season you coped, a season you functioned without fire. But survival is no longer enough for your soul. Heaven is pulling you out of maintenance mode. Listen carefully. Revival is not God coming closer. It is you becoming aware He never left. The distance you felt was not location. It was distraction. It was wounds. It was disappointments. It was silent questions you never voiced. And still, He watched you. He preserved you. He kept breath in your lungs. Not to exist, to ignite. The Bible says, "Awake, you who sleep. Arise from the dead, and Christ will give you light." This is not about physical sleep. This is spiritual awakening. Parts of you went quiet to survive past battles. Dreams folded, faith reduced, expectations lowered to avoid more pain. But heaven is calling those parts back to life. The Bible says, "Did not our hearts burn within us?" That burning heart, that inner fire, that is revival language. Revival in you will look like things that once satisfied you suddenly feel empty, old habits losing their grip, a new desire to pray even without words, a sensitivity to right and wrong returning, tears that come without clear reason, a pull toward God that feels urgent. This is not emotion. This is spiritual circulation returning to places that went numb. Hear this clearly. You are not going backwards. You are not stuck. You are not fading. You are being reignited. The fire did not die. It went under the ashes, and God knows how to breathe on embers. The Bible says, "Fan into flame the gift of God." This is the fanning season. There are prayers you prayed years ago that felt unanswered. He did not ignore them. He preserved them for a version of you strong enough to carry the answer. Revival is not only feeling God, it is becoming who you were always meant to be before fear edited your life. So right now, we are not begging heaven to visit. We are aligning with what heaven is already doing inside you. Put your hand on your chest if you can. Feel your heartbeat. That rhythm is proof God still has intention for you. Father, let the fire of holy awakening rise inside the person listening. Not noise, not performance, not emotional hype, real transformation. Restore spiritual sensitivity, break spiritual numbness, remove the heaviness that settled quietly over time. The Bible says, "Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me." Do that renewal now. Breathe on dry places. Wake up sleeping gifts. Stir the desire to know you deeply. Let passion for truth return. Let love for prayer grow naturally. Let conviction be gentle but clear. Lift the fog, clear the confusion, burn away spiritual fatigue. Let this be the moment everything shifts internally. Final prophetic seal. Revival is not coming to you. It has already started. Your awareness just caught up. And from this day forward, you will notice more clarity, more hunger for God, less tolerance for what dims your spirit, more boldness in faith. This is the rising. If this prayer awakened something in you, stay in this atmosphere. Don't rush away. Let the presence of God settle deeply. And share this with someone whose spirit feels dry. Revival spreads person to person.